Okay, brother, when you're ready.
All right, yes, sir. March 17th, three specific prayer requests. Yesterday, the judge did sign a paper saying it was a mistrial on the issues that the jury did not find a verdict on, which means the U.S. attorney can re-indict and reopen the case if they want. So I want people to pray specifically that they simply do not just drop it. I think they made a fool of themselves, and I think they'd be wise to just drop this as is. And if Congress gets enough calls and their Justice Department in D.C. gets enough calls to say, look, you guys spent over $500,000 on this, would you pull the plug on their budget? Stop. Aren't there any real criminals to go after down there? You've got to be kidding. You want to go after Kent Hovind for doing what? This is crazy. So that's one prayer request. Just pray that the judgment of acquittal, that the mistrial will just be dropped, right? Just drop it right there. It's done. It's over. Stop. Second thing to pray for, my attorney put in a motion yesterday or today called a judgment of acquittal, which somehow in legalese means that the one count I was found guilty on, contempt of court, should be dropped also because there wasn't enough law to support it. And everybody says that's exactly correct. That one count should also be dropped. So that motion is sitting on the judge's desk, and I want you to pray specifically that the judge will grant, called the motion to acquit, A-Q-U-I-T. That would drop the one guilty count that we do have. So that would be a blessing. That's the two prayer requests. The third one is my attorney is going to put in, I think he already has, I hope so, a motion for the judge to release her hold on me, because it's her keeping me here in Santa Rosa County Jail. If she releases that hold, which she could do today, she could say the hold on Kent Hovind is released. Then the Bureau of Prisons can do their thing to get me moved back home, whatever that takes. It starts the ball rolling anyway, where they can say send him home. I'm 20 miles from home, I'll walk. But with the Bureau of Prisons, probably they're going to want to move me to Hong Kong and Tallahassee and Mars and Jupiter and Saturn and finally back home 6 years from now. So just pray that they say, look, this guy's been locked up enough. Call a taxi, send him home today. So those are the three special prayer requests that we have. Anyway, I appreciate it. I think of all the people that have supported this and prayed, and it's humbling. It's what a blessing to know that people are out there holding signs and calling and things like that. And I think how many people are just as innocent as me who are locked up, who don't have anybody holding signs and don't have anybody calling Congress. And I'm hoping my case makes some major changes in our whole justice system. Shut this evil thing down, this prisons for profit. People make a fortune.
This call is from the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office.
You know, the people who own the uniforms, the people who do the dry cleaning, there's a whole industry of transportation, G4S. They just transport people around. Thousands of people employed just moving people. You don't need that at all if we follow a biblical system. Just give them a fine, a beating, or execution. We don't need any of that. We could lay off tens of thousands of government employees just simply by using some common sense. And people don't understand that government employees contribute nothing to the economy. They take from the economy. They don't produce anything. I'm not against them. We got to have them, some of them. But we have a bloated bureaucracy that is just insane. We've got to get back to some common sense. And the book, The Kennel, that I wrote covers a little bit of that. That's up on 2peter3.com. I encourage people to get that. So when I become king, we're making some radical changes in all of this system. But anyway, hopefully this will make some changes. I think we should repeal the stupid structuring law. Just repeal it. Tell Congress, look, that's a dumb law. Repeal it, make it retroactive, extremely important. And any money seized under that stupid law should be returned today. And anybody imprisoned over that law should be released, and they should get paid $1 million a year damages for starters. Anyway, that would be my prayer. Okay, brother, that's all I had. Have folks pray for that. I appreciate it.